catch one. Either. There's a fish. All right. We are on. First fish of the day. Not a big one. Not big at all. Hopefully a big perch or something. Oh, what the? Oh, he snagged himself in a tree. Are you kidding me? No, get out of there. Oh, there he came out. All right, we're out. And I still got the fish. A tiny sauger. Look at that. Tiny sauger. Wow. Little guy. All right. See ya. Oh, there's one. There's a fish. Oh, wasn't ready. That was a good bite. Another little sauger. There he is. Good bite. Oh. I said one smash it on the reel in. This is going to be a bass. This is a big fish. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. This is a big fish. I might not be able to land him up here. And I don't know if I'll hold on to him. I did not get a good hook set. This is a big fish. Oh, boy. What is this? Yeah. Big bass. I don't think I can land this up here. I think I'm too high. So we get him. Oh, that's a big smallmouth. Oh, I want to land this. He's going to spit me. Oh, he's a gorgeous fish too. Oh, no. Oh, no. Let's see if we can get him. Get up here. Yes. Yes, dude. Nice fish. Yes, dude. What a beautiful smallmouth. Are you kidding me right now? Like I said, he hammered it on the reel in. Look at that fish. Oh, awesome. Awesome, awesome fish. What a beauty. Gorgeous smallmouth. Great fish. What a beauty. All right, we've held on to this fish long enough. Goodbye, little guy. And goodbye.